What up, dudes? ZR Car here, back again with another video. And I just got the Honda Passport tow hitch from Bernardi's, and I paid $280 for that beast. So I'll flip the camera around, let you check it out. So there it is. Just a quick unboxing. Got it from Bernardi's, like I said, and it was packaged pretty good. I had to rip apart the box to get it out, so pretty self-explanatory. Just the hitch, some mounting bolts, little cover, and then this valance. One thing that I don't like really is this valance says 3,500 pounds and then max tongue weight 350, because I know that with the cooler, the auxiliary transmission cooler, that jumps up to 5,000 pounds. Just wanted to show you a quick difference here. You can see this one's like a flat black color, and then this one is the gloss black on the Elite. So kind of sucks, but I think it'll be a good trade-off. A lot of people are asking if I got the auxiliary transmission cooler, and I didn't get that or the wire harness yet. Basically just wanted to figure out if I could get this installed and what it looked like, and if I don't like it, I'll send it back. But I figured I'd give it a try, and then maybe install the other parts to make it able to tow 5,000. So anyways, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. You'll get notified when I do the video on the tow hitch. I probably won't do quite an install video, maybe just kind of before and after deal. But anyways, there's a quick unboxing. It just comes with the tow hitch, some bolts, the valance, and that's about it.